So I've said to myself, as of this week, I really want to start reading books. It's something that I want to kind of bring into my daily routine. So as you guys have just seen, I have just picked this up. It is Shoe Dog, and essentially I believe it's just the kind of story of Nike and how it was founded and how it was built. So I just picked this up. I do want to get through it and finish it this week, which for some people, that might not be a task whatsoever. But for me, not being your usual kind of book reader, that is going to be a task. So hopefully I can get through this entire book this week. I will keep you updated on if that is a success in the next video. Also, I want to know if you guys have got any other book recommendations, because I want to try and get through a load for the remainder of this year. Now, what I will say is I do want them to be either kind of mindset focused or business focused, something that I can essentially kind of benefit from. So yeah, if you guys have got any suggestions, then please let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so as you guys have just seen, the production of the caps that I have literally been wearing for like the last 12 months has just arrived. Super excited. Actually, thinking about it, as you guys are watching this video, the drop for these caps is already live. So obviously I'll put them in the first link down below. So just to kind of give you guys, I guess, a little bit of a breakdown on these caps. They are a completely bespoke 100% cotton 5-panel cap, as you can see, and they kind of have that low to mid profile fit, which honestly I absolutely love. In terms of the actual branding, obviously, you know, you've got the label on the inside, but it does also have the embroidered logo on the front as well. And then in terms of the actual size or the sizing, it has the adjustable metal clasp on the back. Next, I did want to mention the peak, because obviously, as you can see by the one that I'm wearing, it does have a slight bend in it. However, when you guys receive your cap, it will come flat, and that just kind of gives you the opportunity to kind of slightly bend it and put it into the shape that you personally prefer. But yeah, guys, finally, after 12 months of sampling, the caps are now live, and like I said before, they will be the first link in the description. So it's now Friday. I've got the launch for the caps tonight at 6 p.m. For you guys that are watching this, they're already live. First link in the description. But for me, they're launching tonight at 6 p.m. So as you've just seen, I've just spent like the last couple of hours at a local coffee spot, just doing some work on the website, getting everything ready, like all the econ pictures, making sure all the stock count is right and stuff like that. So that's what we've been doing for the past couple of hours at the local coffee spot. Now I'm walking home. I'm going to chill out for a little bit, get everything live at 6 p.m. and then I think we're going to finish this video off tomorrow by going back to my roots and showing you guys some kind of outfits that I've been wearing recently. Okay guys, so I thought we could, I guess, end today's video by doing something that we have not done in such a long time, and that is kind of showcasing some of my favorite recent outfits that I have been wearing. And I guess in turn, giving you guys some kind of outfit inspiration. Also, I'm going to be wearing my caps throughout all the outfits because I'm currently trying to grow my hair out just a little bit. And let's just say, we're definitely in that awkward stage. But to break the outfit down, on top, we have, I guess, the standout piece of the entire look. This shirt is from my brand, Studio Dejore. It launched like 2 weeks ago. Honestly, the reaction has been insane. The shorts are from Olive Clothing, which I absolutely love. I've also had a load of questions about these. So shorts, Olive Clothing. We have the tabby loafers on foot. And then always we have the Uniqlo socks as well. Oh, and just to kind of add, I guess, a little bit more depth to the outfit, I would normally kind of go with a crossbody or a shoulder bag as well. Okay guys, so next up, outfit number 2 is, again, I know I'm saying this a lot, but again, easily one of my favorite looks, especially on the slightly cooler days. And I've also just realized it's a very similar kind of outfit breakdown to the previous look as well, because the cropped sweatshirt is again from my brand, Studio Dejore. Like I said before, everything is going to be linked down below. But cropped sweatshirt, Studio Dejore, beautiful jeans, Olive menswear or Olive Clothing. The slight change in this outfit is the loafers, because those are from Acne Studios. And then you've probably seen we had the slight change in cap as well. This time I went for that green for the pop of color. But I guess if you did want that pop of color from something else, switch out the green cap for a black one, and then add that pop of color with an accessory such as this APC bag here. Okay guys, next up, obviously, as you can see, another super kind of minimal and simple outfit. Where do we even start? We'll start on foot. So we switched out the loafers, and this time we went with the black Adidas Samba / Wales Bonner collab. So that's what we have on foot. Leg wear, honestly, my all-time favorite wide leg trousers. These are from the women's section at Uniqlo. The women's wide leg pleated trousers, incredible pair of trousers. I think they're like £35, fit amazing. Do size up. I am a 31-inch waist and I wear a size large. Fit me amazing. Then t-shirt, as you can see, it is on the more kind of fitted side, and this is from Arket. The knit that I've kind of thrown over my shoulders just to add a little bit more texture and depth to the look. This is from Yakaya. We have the APC tote bag, and again the Studio Dejore cap, just to kind of finish the outfit off and also cover up that awkward stage of growing out your hair. Okay, so next up, I would say this was up there with my favorite outfit from my recent holiday in Greece. I had so many compliments about this look, so obviously I had to show it to you guys. The shirt is actually a final sample from my brand Studio Dejore. This, essentially, it's the same as the blue shirt I've shown you previously, but in this beautiful kind of khaki color. This is going to be dropping at the end of September with a restock of all the jerseys, so all the hoodies, sweatshirts, and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, Studio Dejore shirt. The leg wear, or the trousers, again, going back to my absolute faves, this is the black version of the grey ones you have just seen. So these are from the Uniqlo women's section, the wide leg pleated trousers. And then most of you lot probably think these are Birkenstocks, but actually these are an incredible, affordable alternative to Birkenstocks. These are from M&S. I recently done a campaign with them over on Instagram, so for full transparency. But yeah, these are from M&S, and they are an incredible, affordable alternative to the Birkenstocks. Now, talking of go-tos,
this is definitely another, especially on those kind of casual, cozy Sundays. This is the definition of a Sunday outfit for me. This, if you see me on a Sunday, whether that's, you know, at my local coffee spot or in town doing a little bit of shopping, whatever it may be, if it's a Sunday, this is the kind of outfit that I'm rocking. We've got a nice, cozy, oversized hoodie. This one is from my brand, Studio Dejore. And then we have the mild grey joggers. And like I said before, everything is going to be restocking next month. And then this time on foot, we went with, I'm pretty sure these are the only, what I would say, chunky shoe. These are the only ones that I now have in my rotation, because I do kind of tend to opt for the slimmer options now. But these are the Asics Gel Kayano 14s. But honestly, like I said before, for me, this is the definition of a cozy Sunday outfit.